What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're doing a nice easy dish. We've got some chicken tacos. Gonna season them up, show you what I'm doing. Got some really good homemade salsa to go with it, some pico de gallo that I just made. Oh, so many good things is going on here. So yeah, let's I'm gonna bring you in and show the chicken first. I'm gonna get it seasoned, get that ready, throw it on the griddle, go time. So here's my seasoning. I made this seasoning myself. I'm gonna put everything in the description what's in there, but it's garlic powder, onion powder, chili chipotle powder. We want to brush this stuff in all the crevices, get it all over, just like that. Yep. And then over here we got my tortillas that we're going to use, the corn tortillas. So I'm just going to season this stuff up, bring it back to the griddle, and boom, we're going to throw it on. Got the griddle nice and hot. We're at about 400 right now. So I'm going to get some oil down here. Get that stuff going. Oh, just wash my spatula. Got a little water on there. All right. Get that good. We're at about 400 over here. I got these two burners on high. These two are off. So let's throw some chicken on and get going. Now, usually I would want to marinate this at least overnight, but a little pressed for time. Just got to get it going. Ooh, listen to the sizzle. So I put a little bit more oil, you know, around in between them, just because I want to make sure that we get a nice fry on those. And yeah, I mean, I think this, you know, 4-ish minutes each side, these things are going to be good. Maybe this one a little longer, it's a little thicker. But yeah, I mean, yeah, like I said, I would normally want to do this overnight with probably throw some like lime and orange in there and just let it just sit and collect all them great flavors in there. But like I said, short for time, just want to get this done, get it going, eat some dinner. But yeah, we'll bring you back when I'm ready to flip these. So these are looking amazing. And just remember, when you're cooking like this, black don't mean burnt. That means flavor, and it's gonna be amazing. So like I said, this one was thicker, kinda needs to, I'm probably gonna have to cut that one up a little more so it can fully cook, actually. There we go. Got a little flatter. Boom. There we go, that'll cook a little better now. But what I'm gonna do when these are almost done is take them off, get them on the cutting board, cut them up, like chop them up, and yeah, then put them back on here to make sure they're all done. And oh, it's gonna be deliciousness. All right, so these have been on for about 6 minutes or so, and I think they're getting, some of them are getting close to being done. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna get all these bad boys up on here and just chop them up. So as you can see, I mean, oh, maybe you can't see, but I mean, the chicken, all the pieces are pretty much white all the way through. So pretty sure it's all done, ready to go. So now, let's get this out of here. And yeah, what I'm gonna do is just toss this stuff up a little bit more just to make sure, because I do want a little bit more caramelization on that chicken. So, oh, we got a big chunk. Chop her up. All right, Boom, now just let this stuff go for just a hot second. I'm gonna move all the chicken over here, clean this area, get the tortillas going, put the toppings on. Ooh, man, I got this this pico de gallo. I just made this before I made the video. And you know, onion, tomato, serrano pepper, some lime, salt, garlic salt, and serrano pepper. Man, something delicious. Delicious. All right, let's get going on these corn tortillas. Boom, I got 6 of them. I'm gonna do 2 of them each for each taco. Ooh, man. Now I'm not trying to cook these things all crazy. I'm just trying to get a nice little fry on them. Oh yeah. Man, so excited for this. This is gonna be amazing. So right here we got this oven roasted salsa that we just made. Oh man, this stuff is so good. And I personally don't mind it when the salsa is warm because, I don't know, it just feels like the serranos and stuff that are in there are even hotter because they're temperature hot too. I love it. So I'm gonna put some of that in this third one. Ooh, buddy. And then over here, I got lime for this one. Ooh. This is gonna be good. This meat is super juicy. Actually, I'm gonna dive in on that one first. Ooh, man. That is so good. The meat is so tender and moist. You know what? Let's dive in on the salsa. Whew. Okay. That's all I got, guys. That pepper got me. I appreciate you guys coming along. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you liked the video. Get out of here, bug. And yeah, let me know if there's something you want me to cook. We are still planning on doing another giveaway this year, probably beginning December. So make sure you're subscribed for that. Hit that notification bell. Be ready. And I'm gonna dive in on this too. Mmm.